Quick answer. Start with Tide Ultra Oxi powder for tough mix stains across a busy family hamper. Switch to Tide Free and Gentle Liquid for most homes that don't want added fragrance. Choose Persil Original for lasting scent, Dirty Labs for less plastic, or Tide Pods for no measure loads. No detergent wins every mess. Choose by stains, scent, dosing, packaging, and storage. For the ugliest mixed hamper, it's Tide Ultra Oxi Powder Laundry Detergent. Buy it if your laundry has grass, dirt, coffee, tea, wine, body oil, and general family chaos. The payoff is serious powder cleaning without the usual fight with clumps or leftover grit. The catch: it's not my first move for greasy food stains, and the box takes more room than a bottle or pod tub. Because it uses oxygen bleach, check deep colors before going all in. Skip it if you hate bulky powder storage. For most homes, I'd start with Tide Free and Gentle Liquid Laundry Detergent. It's the practical default for a mixed hamper: food spills, body oil, pet mess odor, gym clothes, and people who don't want added fragrance. You get strong, everyday cleaning in a dye and perfume-free formula that's easy to find. The trade-off is that specialty detergents can beat it on certain stains, and the bottle isn't the tiniest option here. Skip it if you want scent, or if powder makes more sense for tea, coffee, or turmeric-heavy stains. If you like laundry that smells done, go Persil Original Liquid Detergent Everyday Clean. It's for shoppers who still want strong liquid cleaning, but prefer a smaller concentrated bottle and a cap that feels sturdy enough for regular measuring. The scent is the dividing line. Nice for some, too much for others. The thicker formula also needs water before you use it on stains, so pre-treating isn't as simple. Skip it if you're scent-sensitive, picky about fragrance, or need the easiest bottle to find anywhere. For the low-plastic splurge, it's Dirty Labs Bio-Enzyme Laundry Detergent Free and Clear. Buy it if you're willing to pay more for a fragrance-free concentrate with fewer common additives and recyclable aluminum packaging. It keeps the laundry shelf neater than a giant jug, which matters in small spaces. The catch is value. This costs much more per load than the mainstream options. It's also thick, so stain treating takes water first. Skip it if price comes before packaging, or if you want pour straight-on pre-treating. For no measure loads, Tide Pods Ultra Oxi Free is the convenience pick. Buy it if you use a shared laundry room, hate sticky caps, or want a routine that's hard to mess up. For pods, the cleaning is unusually strong, and you still avoid added perfume and dyes. The limits are control and pre-treating. Pods don't help you dab detergent onto a stain, and sizing loads gets blunt fast. Store them carefully, especially around children or vulnerable adults. Skip them if you like exact dosing. Quick split. Tough mixed stains, Tide Ultra Oxi Powder. Most homes, Tide Free and Gentle Liquid. Want scent? Persil Original. Want less plastic and a smaller footprint? Dirty Labs Free and Clear. Want grab-and-go dosing? Tide Pods Ultra Oxi Free. Before you buy, check your real routine. Powders need dry storage. Concentrates need careful measuring. Pods need secure storage. Fragrance sticks around, so don't buy a giant bottle blind. And for stained clothes, pre-treating still matters. If you're unsure, start with Tide Free and Gentle Liquid. Switch to Tide Ultra Oxi Powder when mixed stains are the main fight. Go Persil if scent matters, Dirty Labs if packaging matters, and Tide Pods if measuring is the problem. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.